In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify beginner tutorial. Add alt text to product images in Shopify. If you want your products to appear in Google Images and you care about accessibility, alt text is essential. Alt text is the short written description that tells people and search engines what an image shows. It is read by screen readers, it appears when an image cannot load, and it helps search engines understand your product so the right shoppers can find it. Start in your Shopify admin and open your products list. Click any product you want to optimize. On the product page, scroll until you reach the media section. This is where all of your product photos live. Click the photo you want to edit to open it. On the right side of the screen, you will see an option labeled Add Alt Text. Select it to open the text field where you will write your description. Keep the text clear and specific. Do not paste your store name or a string of keywords. Instead, describe exactly what is in the photo in natural language. A good example would be blue organic cotton t-shirt with a front pocket. Include distinctive details a shopper would care about, like color, material, size or variant, pattern, hardware, or finish. Avoid filler like image of or photo of, and skip punctuation tricks or keyword stuffing. Aim for a short sentence or phrase that stays focused on the product, typically under a couple of lines, so it is easy for assistive technology to read. When your description looks right, click Save Alt Text. Close the window for that image, then repeat the process for your other photos. Add alt text to different angles, lifestyle shots, and variant images so each one communicates what is unique about that image. Shopify saves these updates as you go, so you do not need to worry about losing your work. This simple habit strengthens your search engine optimization and makes your store more inclusive. Clear alt text gives search engines richer context, which can lead to better visibility in image search and more qualified traffic to your product pages. It also helps customers who rely on screen readers understand your catalog just as well as those who browse visually. As you add new products or refresh photos, keep your alt text updated and consistent across your store. Your images are now working harder for your business, one description at a time.